Here we have our nice 48-inch Jenn Air cooktop with the original configuration. Where you can see on the left, next to the downdraft vent, we have a grill. We've never ever used that grill with food directly on it, just make too much of a mess. We did use the burner to warm up pots and so on, but it was always less than ideal. So we're going to convert it to regular surface burners like the other four, and we'll have a 6-burner cooktop. The grills just come right out. And the burner just slips right in. So you just pick it up, slide it out. We have the pan. So as you can see, the burners slip right in and fit where they belong. However, for the pan to fit in, we had to drill a 1/2-inch hole in the back plate so that this fitting prong on the pan would slide in. With that hole in place, the pan now fits right in. Okay, so here's the wiring diagram for the CGV 4380 series cooktop, which we have. And here you can see in the left burners, it trips. When you turn it on, rather, it sends a signal to this relay. That relay then closes a switch and starts the motor for the downdraft vent. Here you have the regular knob switch. You turn it and the vent goes on, which we want to retain. So we're going to keep all that. All we're going to do is take this brown wire and disconnect it from the relay. It's got a it's connected to the relay with a spade terminal with the female portion on the brown wire. So all we got to do is find that brown wire, pull it off, insulate it with a little bit of electrical tape, and we should be good to go. This section right in front of the vent chamber is where the electronics are housed. So we'll go down under and open that up and see if we can find that brown wire. Okay, so here's get closer. On the left you can see this is the vent motor, the blower, and here's the little chamber with electronics right in front of the vent chamber. Okay, so we've removed these 2 screws, and now that front panel just slides right out. See the wires. Up here is the relay, and here's the brown wire, which we have removed from the relay and just put a little electrical tape over the end so we don't short anything out. Button everything up, it should work. Okay, now we'll turn on the flame here. We're at start. We got a nice flame. Vent's not on. However, if we turn the switch, it comes right on. It's exactly what we want. We have manual control of the vent, but it does not come on automatically with the left burners.